The Boer Cross Goat is a breed of meat goat that was developed in South Africa in the early 1900s. Boer goats were bred with local goats to create a new breed that would have better meat characteristics, including higher muscle mass and more tender meat. The Boer Cross Goat has become a popular breed for meat production around the world due to its hardiness, adaptability, and ability to thrive in a variety of climates and environments. Boer Cross Goats can come in a variety of colors, but they generally have a white body with colored head, usually black or brown. They are a large breed with does weighing between 100 to 200 pounds. Boer Cross Goat Does are relatively easy to raise. They thrive in a variety of climates, but do best in dry, arid conditions. They require a balanced diet of hay, grasses, and grains, as well as access to clean water. Regular veterinary care, including vaccinations and deworming, is important for their health. Boer Cross Does are generally docile and easy to handle, making them good choices for beginners. They can be raised for meat production, but also make good pets or breeding animals. They should be kept in a safe and secure enclosure to protect them from predators. Boer Cross Goat Does can be raised with other animals, but it's important to consider their temperament and dietary needs. In general, goats are social animals and do well when raised with other goats or livestock such as sheep or cattle. However, they should not be raised with horses or other animals that may be aggressive towards them. It's important to ensure that they have access to sufficient grazing areas. A balanced diet, which may include hay, grains, and minerals. Proper fencing and shelter are necessary to keep them safe and healthy. Crossbreeding Boer goats with other goats breeds can help to improve genetic traits of the offspring, resulting in more efficient and productive meat production. Boer Cross goats are also used for dairy production, as they have a good milk production potential, although they are not typically used as a primary dairy breed. Additionally, Boer Cross goats can be used for vegetation control and as show animals.